Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In last video we have learned about Neha's alarm clock. Now we will go for its words to learn, give meaning, opposite words and answer the following questions. Words to learn: alarm clock, pillow, blanket, pulse, longer, smiles, tomorrow, windowsill, wish, someone, warm, walking, snores, imagine, covering, snuggles, mutters, unfair, something, fallen, chirpy, alone, morning, gaze, bright, behind, escape, hands, relax. Now see its give meaning. Snuggles, cuddle or pressed close to someone. Mutters means to sound with a low noise. Windowsill means near the frame or edge of the window. Relax. Relax means relieve from attention. Now students, we will see opposite words: fair, unfair, morning, evening, happy, sad, bright, dark. See, answer the following questions. Question number 1. If there is no alarm clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Answer: I will wake up on my own. Question number 2. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Answer number 2. Wristwatch, wall clock, certain program on television, mobile phone and sunlight. Question number 3. Who are trying to wake up in the morning in the lesson? Answer number 3. The alarm clock, small chirpy birds and the big bright sun are trying to wake up Neha. Question number 4. Who is the writer of the lesson Neha's alarm clock? Answer number 4. Girija Rani Asthana. Okay students, here your lesson finished. In next video, we will see grammar topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.